Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do hand pose detection using vision framework in Flutter iOS app. So here you can see I have one image view, and on that I am displaying an hand image, but I was able to draw this particular lines on fingers of that particular hand using the hand pose detection vision framework. I will show it for one more image. One important thing which you have to note is you will have to run this on a real iOS device. You can't run this on a simulator, otherwise it won't work for you. Basically what I have done is that I have created a Flutter project. I'll quickly show you guys the output as well for the another image which I am loading, and then we can have a look at the code. Also, vision framework is iOS specific only, so you can't really use it for Android or web. So here you can see I was able to draw the bounding box on this particular hand as well. So let's see how to do this. So here, as you can see, this is our main.dart file, and here is our home page widget. So here I have created it as a stateless widget. So I have taken a safe area size box of 500 by 500, and this is our custom image view. We can't take the image view from Flutter. We have to use the UI image view from iOS side. So for that I have created this custom widget called my image view. Now this is the identifier I am using. So same identifier I will have to use it on native iOS side as well. So this is our stateless widget, and here I am just doing if platform is iOS, then display this UI kit view, otherwise display this placeholder. Then you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS folder inside Xcode, and firstly I think you will have to update the minimum deployment target, I guess, over here. So you will have to come over here and update the minimum deployment target to at least iOS 14. Then you will have to go to app delegate over here, and here firstly just copy paste this code. Important thing to note is this identifier should be the same which you have defined it on the Flutter side, and here I have created a Swift file called my image view native view factory. So here you can see we are created that my image view native view factory Swift file. Again this is boilerplate code which you have to just copy paste it for embedding any kind of native ISU inside your Flutter project. Only thing important is here we are referencing another Swift file called my image view native view. So for that I have created this Swift file, and here we are importing Flutter UI kit as well as vision. I have created our UI parent view as well as UI image view as well. Then I'm overriding this particular method. We are creating our view, we are creating our UI image view, and then adding it to our parent view. I'm doing some NS layout constraints as well, and here we load our image. Now this is my image name. If you see inside the assets folder I have added 2 images. You will have to change the image name to whatever you have added, so don't copy my image name, otherwise it won't work for you. So I have just created this UI image, then I am assigning it to our image view, and then I am calling this detect hand pose method. So I am overriding this particular method view. I am returning the parent view, and here we just called detect hand pose on our UI image. Then I'm just converting our UI image to a CG image, and then we are doing this vn detect human hand pose request. Then I'm doing a vn image request handler as well, and on the background thread we perform the hand pose request. We get the first result, and then we just call draw hand joints, and inside the draw hand joints, now here I have just copy pasted all this code from the documentation, so I won't be able to explain it to you because I don't understand much of it. But basically we are getting all the fingers over here, and then we are just looping over it and drawing on it. So yeah, even I'm not really good at this, sorry. But I will simply scroll through this. You can just copy paste it or ask ChatGPT to explain it to you. But once we have the drawn image, we are just drawing it on our image view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.